time here at 24 Carats LA.
Most important meal of the day. What makes them vegan inside there?
It's what they don't have that makes them vegan. Most pancakes have like regular milk. Some of them will have, actually I don't think I've ever made pancakes with eggs. Most of them just have milk or butter in them. So fun fact, I'm a vegan, but I'm also allergic to nuts. So most of the milks out there I can't do. So I can do hemp milk, which is okay. I can do soy milk, which sometimes I get sick of.
Rice milk is nice.
Oh, rice milk is nice. Nutritious pea milk. I just discovered it.
It's made from peas?
I'm not quite sure that it's made from peas. But it's soy-free, nut-free, 100% vegan, gluten-free, lactose-free.
I mean, at that point, what is this milk for real? Do you know what I mean?
Wait, Riptide. Oh, water and protein. It's pea protein, yeah.
So you got yourself some protein powder and water up in there.
It's pretty good though. Pea protein. It's actually, they make a chocolate milk. That one does have sugar in it, but they make a chocolate milk that is like bomb.
We'll have to learn.
It's good stuff though. It's pretty good. But this is what I...
I landed right on my foot. I can't even make that up. The real show. This is what real life is when you're filming the 24 Karat Gold show. The whole jug of milk falls on your foot. And I'm wearing sandals.
Oh, I bet that didn't feel
And I'm wearing sandals. There's nothing getting filmed below, so there's no real reason to wear the shoes real here. You know, we're not really, we're gonna.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
Maple syrup. So there you have it. Breakfast
is served. Make sure you follow us on 24 Carats LA. The link's below. Let's try this.
Yeah, well, you clearly don't know how to eat a stack of pancakes.
Yeah, I clearly. Wow.
Oh, look at that! Look at that!
And this is edible. Like, I think people think we're eating foil or something. This is real gold.
It's real gold. You don't even taste it.
You can totally eat this.
That's actually really good.
That is actually really good.
I love pancakes so much. And maple syrup, that's the only way to go. If you use the imitation crap, you're missing out.
There we go. It happened. Your syrup's pretty good. That's like that for real, like
Yeah, no maple syrup.
came out of a tree.
Yeah.
You can always tell it's not that thick. Real maple syrup's actually